Hello, welcome to Vedic Mathematics Lesson 1. My name is Walter. Vedic Mathematics is a collection of techniques which provide shortcut, improve speed, and accuracy. Today we are going to see a shortcut on finding the square of a number ending with 5. Let's go to question number 1. We're supposed to find the square of 35. The square of 35, this means 35 multiplied by 35. Here, to the answer, we have 2 digits to the right and 2 digits to the left. The 2 digits to the right, we will get it by taking 5 multiplied by 5. And the other 2 digits to the left, we are going to get it by taking 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1. That is going to be 3 multiplied by 4. So, the first 2 digits to the right is given by 5 multiplied by 5, which will get 25. So, this digits here, it is 25. Now, the next 2 digits to the left is given by 3, take 3, multiplied by 3 plus 1, which is the same as 3 multiplied by 4, which will give us 12. So these 2 digits here, it is 12. But remember, all this work here is done mentally. I have done all this one here to show you the way, but all these steps is supposed to be done mentally. Let us do question number 2. We're supposed to find the square of 95. Square of 95, this means 95 multiplied by 95. You can see this number ends with 5. So since it ends with 5, we can apply our shortcut here. That will fill the first 2 digits. Now, the remaining 2 digits is going to be filled by taking 9 multiplied by 9 plus 1. That is 9. This is equal to 9 multiplied by 10, which gives us 90. This fills the 2 remaining digits. All this work I showed you here so as you can get clarity, but it is supposed to be done mentally so as you can go fast and accurately. Hope you understand this shortcut. You can use it anytime for your own advantage. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.